Now, what do you do when you feel like you are stuck? When everything that you've written on your web or on your code editor does not seem to be working? Do you just give up? Well, I don't think so. Well, programmers, it happens all the time. We get stuck, but what we do actually is that we go on the internet and we try to find solution to the problems that we're having. Um, it reminds me of a story that my college teacher really told us that he was writing some code. I guess it was some sort of JavaScript code. Well, this I guess was back in the days when himself was like a student or yeah, learning how to code himself. Yeah, this is a story that he told us that he was stuck and couldn't do really much to fix the problem. He just gave up, for a second. He went somewhere and forgot everything about what he was doing. And then, couple hours after an idea clicked, he really remembered that what he was doing wrong. He went back to the code and fixed it. So this is a common thing that happens among programmers. Like technology is so huge. It's the stuff that you can do on the internet. There's just a lot of it. We get stuck, but we don't give up. We 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 are as programmers. We need to know how to look stuff up. When you're stuck, because you're not gonna know the whole language, the whole programming language in your head. You're gonna sometimes be stuck, and the only solution would be to be able to Google. As programmers, we are really encouraged to know how to look stuff up. Well, uh, one of the websites that people go to find solutions to their problems to fix the code that don't work is Stack Overflow. It's a huge website. If you've never heard of it, well, you might never heard of it. Uh, if you really beginning to do this, but most programmers will know what this website is. We come on here with lookup questions. If you have a question, then you can post your question right here, and people will be able to answer your question. But I guess you have to have an account to be able to post a question. Well, you can look up a question and find the answer, but to be able to ask a question, then you'd need an account, and maybe you need to be a member of this website for an amount of time to be able, to ask your own questions on this platform. So yeah, this is how we programmers really find solutions. Where my advice to you is whenever you feel stuck, please don't give up. Well, walk away for a second, just trying to figure out, you know, what is going on with your code, what are you doing wrong, and then come back to the code, try to find a solution. If you know uh, people who can help you, well, could be your your classmates if you're in school, or if you know a friend of yours, if you have a friend of yours who are programmers themselves, then you can address your questions to them, and then they can help you find some sort of solution to your code or the problems that you're having. But really don't give up. Always look stuff up and ask around questions. Try to walk away for a second, come back, and try to fix the code that does not work.